It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, September 3rd. I'm James Spann. We'll have the chance of widely scattered rain showers through the upcoming Labor Day weekend, but the sun will be out at times, and afternoons will be fairly hot in the short term. Check it out this morning. Still got broad ridging over the eastern U.S., but underneath that little wave you can see coming in from the west, that originated back in Texas a couple of days ago, and that's squeezing out a little light rain in spots even early this morning. If you look at the radar, you can see a few patches of light rain through the ground return there, especially over the west central counties. So some of you might see a few raindrops today, but rain amounts should be light, and the showers will be fairly spotty. Starting off today in the middle 70s, we'll expect a high around 90 today. And by the way, Birmingham did reach 90 yesterday. That ended the streak of temperatures below 90 at 17 consecutive days. There's the convective outlook today. Organized severe weather not expected around the nation. We are painted in green. That means some convection is possible today, but severe weather not happening. This is the rain for the next 5 days. Now, the guys here at WPC, they're not showing much at all for the northern half of the state. Little better amounts down to the south, and even down there, for the Labor Day weekend, it'll just be scattered storms. You'll see about 6 to 8 hours of sun each day. Not bad at all. We might wind up with a little more than that over North Alabama. We think we'll see a little increase in the amount of convection by maybe Sunday and Monday, but still, it will be scattered. Tropical weather. Old Fred's just hanging in there like a rusty fish hook. We thought it would dissipate yesterday, but it's still there. Should become post-tropical today, and that won't affect anybody. New wave coming off the coast of Africa. The guys at NHC are giving that a 40% chance of developing over the next 5 days as it moves to the west. And we'll watch that, but it's a long way out there. No issues close in. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 06Z GFS, the global forecast system, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. Big trough on the west coast. We've got ridging for the upper Midwest. And again, for us, the sun out at times, few scattered showers. High today around 90. Here's the high-res HRRR at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Actually showing some decent coverage of light rain over Georgia with not too much around here. Tomorrow, any showers should be very widely separated. Pretty hot. The models are suggesting low to mid-90s, but again, they've had a warm bias of late. We'll figure highs at or just over 90 with a mix of sun and clouds, and really not much change for Saturday. Earlier, we saw evidence we could see an increase in coverage of scattered showers Saturday. This is suggesting showers still would be widely spaced, and really the same thing Sunday. The GFS not very bullish on showers. We'll certainly mention it, scattered showers and storms. The better chance will be Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, but this is suggesting the coverage may be just not all that great. And the high Sunday would be back in the 80s. And this is Monday, Labor Day. You see a little weak upper low could be just south and east of here, and where that happens to wind up will determine maybe where the better coverage of showers will be. But certainly on Monday, we'll have the chance of scattered showers and storms with a high in the 80s. Kind of go through next week. Tuesday, same thing. This is Wednesday. Each day, some risk of scattered showers with the sun out at times. Highs next week should be mostly in the upper 80s, and this is a week from today, Thursday, September 10th. Troughing beginning to form north of the state. Got a cold front there from near Columbus, Ohio, down to about Amarillo, Texas, but we stay in moist air. And we wonder if that front might push all the way through here. Hey, this is September when fronts are a little more likely. Here's the end of the forecast. This is September 12th, a week from Saturday. Heights are coming down, and evidence, hey, we might be in some continental air. Nice 1028 high that's over eastern Canada nosing in here. And look at the numbers trending downward nicely. As we get into meteorological fall, We start off with possibly low 90s here in the short term, but by mid-month, highs around 80 and maybe lows down in the upper 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. If we have time, the next video here by 4 o'clock, we'll be traveling today to Cullman to program weather radios. It'll be a tight squeeze. We'll try. But don't forget to catch us on the live stream of the television side this evening. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.